Mama wakwaba aha eye GCN page so midin ede adwoa searching. And then the day the kanya wo de ehwe me a mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now don sa emia bell ne so ube ya notification. And esa news e de betum bia ube nye bi eti anase ube nye bi ahwe ewo GCN page ha. Stanley KOD a eye abranti bia social media ena na odi ni dwuma na edian na dodo na edi nimi no eye KOD embri bi abesen ko KOD nso edi Ghana fo atem papa ti se de ende twini Jonas eso camera esini so a odi atem no na ende KOD ababonten ode apacho a emu oden abre eye his excellency na Addo dankwa Akufo Addo ena afen so eye honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan ena afen so obobi etise owura gabi otreda konso ni din a ochre se enkrofo we omo emfa ne bone enche no ena afen so obia na no etia no ewo embri bi abesen kɔ no KOD echre se ode apacho emasa enkrofo ne se omo emfa ne bone enche no na adofo ne entia KOD na odi atemino na ochre se oye very close to a year nam one man ya obe starting business ewo Ghana hanoma amanfo no de omu sika ekoto ho enya sika no ho emfaso esanso etumi ede eya de fofora fofia anto ata business no collapse na Stanley na ochre se odo nam one na nam one eye ne papa na wa be start business na ede emfaso ebre Ghana fo na business no collapse de ene na Ghana fo mpanifo munya muntin didi Stanley ene also cameras ni so a odi atem ye papa me sure sa manfo bebre na enime no na ende Stanley se otenase na o play back eniama waye anase atem didi a wadidi Ghana fo mpanifo a na kire se enye enti ende ofri ni pem pa Ghana fo mpanifo na achew titru pa ene eye his excellency na Addo dankwa Akufo Addo Ghana ye man pani a ende emofra ede no aye twapia etale omo anu ene atembidi no enya asem keto akra Stanley kire se otenase na odwen de waya enye onipa wo ho no na se wanje honfum so antum se wanfa oya homaso no wanfa antufe no wanbre ho ase amopani bia ense emfata nti ende ode apache we mu oden emma Ghana fo mpanifu bia na no etia ne se obia emfa ne bone enche no na eno mpese meka se Stanley so started na atemdidi senya ena na odidi Ghana fo mpanifo na ende watumi atena se ehu se de oye no enye no waba bonten abepachewe embri bi beba na ohene David a ende ode eye otumfo osei tutu abebi o the second aye twa apia wana no otwa de pae mu odin embri beba na ohene David aba abonte abeka se ono nso otena se na o play back eniama waya enye nti obepachew anase twini Jonas ende watwe camera sini so a ene his excellency na Addo dankwa Akufo Addo waye twa apia wana no atemdidi a ekọ twi babreman no de mani embri bi beba na twini Jonas nso akase wanu ne ho enti oba be pache wana eya asem sebe de bia ye kase atemdidi ne do enye Ghana fo mpanifu di omo achia de obeka no wanhwa enye enti no eniama omo ya enye no mombo mu achi se ne be ye omo beti no mo aboa youth no na de mu ye de so mo ebufu kura atemdidi no eye too much atemdidi no na de bia ye kase mu yimfimo atemdidi no of course momo kire se atemdidi no na me na mpanifu na ate nenso atemdidi no panipu ko owo ho na so ote asem a wo ka chen na ebe se na bufu kura be ma na de se oye no onye enti no fix the country fu am aso we de bia pacha on ye de be mo se atemdidi no mu yimfim se na mu anya koma pa mo ko de amoman Ghana no enye easy se wo beja wo mre nyina se Ghana ho dadwe nti no ko e de amaye ya appreciate dem o ye but atemdidi no e bia ne se understand wa babonten a o che se ope sorry opa obia a wadidi na tem achewe sa anything na ye kasa atemdidi de mu yimfim na mum no mu hwie jangu Ghana fo mpanifo no mapempem na hyehye omo sa to se omo ebeye de etene na yentie ensema Stanley ede etudwa
enti mebubo mudin Ghana for bebre omu follow me because of something. The reason why I'm being very careful is because, and yes, I'm Mr. but I'm taking responsibility for my actions and I'm apologizing for my action. whatever later on and now in the future no be I me feeling crass and me care about later, but this is an apology edamakuma, so I want to put it out there. Now me huni say I've done this, okay. Okay, boss, me that say. So let's go straight to it. So in paying for bebrea, me feel say me tia omunine so me pamacho monfa me born in chemi mafumu maka nyama and was menka at the time no and America I was misinformed. Information that I had at the time, no, now I was convinced, Nyame Yano is the right thing. Although say Nyame Yano, it did help a lot of people. Nyame Yano put a lot of family in, so Akufo be brave. It put their mind to peace because no muso mujin say there is no hope or muntishi will be bia. So I was their source of hope. So bibia me make biane mo makuma su tu omugim. So it did save life at the time. Although say and Mecca said the information that I had, no, I was misinformed, no. At the time, maybe whatever I said, no, it did put a lot of people at rest. It did put a lot of mind at peace. It did give a lot of families some hope. And as I hope in Abia, family no be brown to me and ye bibi, and conform to me and ye den, and committee suicide, they be one to me and ye, nyama bima or say omuye den, omuye. So that also at the time, no, that also saves a lot of life. But obi ti say Nana Akufo Addo dankwa ye papa Nana Akufo Addo dankwa ma ba be kase tiewu ene oba ba ona se oba say fane boni channel enye say bia oba no oye leader o oba no youth no hwe no ena oba no wa bobra eye bibi ntia ba oba na bobra ene daddy I come to you to say daddy fane boni chemi makasa atiawo as the father of the land no makasa atiawo aha nti daddy fane boni chemi bibia make bia atiawo no daddy at the time no I was misinformed. I'm taking responsibility. Obian catch me say minye information be amimiti ye biano. I could decide say meka and I mean can. But mimiti information no I thought at the time say mi nim nyame ye but daddy and my page mensa. Me see na mi nim nyame ye daddy. Na mi nim nyame ye na me ye blind. And until I'm taking responsibility. No one should take responsibility for me. I am taking responsibility for myself. Say daddy mi nim nyame ye. Enti forgive me. Afensu ya dada papa keki amwa former Eyoko boss ya papa keki amwa former Eyoko boss obi onim ne bia obi onim ne bia no enka che ne se onu nso mfa me boni nchemi ya papa keki amwa bibia wo bia fa me boni nchemi ene me pese meka ewo baby ami gina ye na medicasa etia mo no I want to stand the same place na me fa apologize say mamu. Aha, I want to stand the same place. Now me fa apologize say ya papa KK Amwa former Eyoko boss for me boni chemi. Me kase tiao and I didn't have me evidence and at the time no so information na me ti you know I was misinformed and then me say for me boni chemi. Aha, afenso ya papa Kennedy Japan. Unso me kisa be bre tiao unya me hwe. Unso for me boni chemi Kennedy Japan for me boni chemi. Unso for me boni chemi. Ebia dini dia min kai bebre gabi ochre da ko your friend is saying even Ghana police service ni Ghana security service at the time me feel say bia mu nim nya mu ye me feel say bia me nim more than mu me feel say bia mu nim nya mu ye na me and then me see me page me page me say I've come before you people me see ene ma humble me who before you people me see ene me de me ego atun chain me see ene ma accept say me diboni me see ene ma accept say ma yes sorry and then ma accept say ma phone and you be say me see I'm taking responsibility and yes obi na say me be ye and then yes me di blame and mo bi celebrities ni nyama meka se mu ye kwasiafo na mu support obia maka se tie bia edine bia mentumi mboni nyina edine bia mentumi mboni nyina obia maka se tie bia ada inkofo a bia omu felisi omu di minti mi no mu hwe me mabeka bibi no mu follow me and inti mi no mu believe mu nyina me ka no kra kire mu se mu nyina fa me boni ncheme mu find place in my heart some ebetimi aye difficult ama some of mu ebetimi aye den ama some of mu Oslo wusu yes on fa me boni nchemi obi ka me din a mebo na ma pani pana cho obi an fa me boni nchemi yes, obi ama blocky behind so for me bonnie chem because in a confound me blocky be brave, moon for me bonnie chemi. Obi anya me she, obi anya me she no biansun ka say KOD. Oh, share me a share video no cause KOD, and then me say I've come before you people, me igwa tun chain, and I make pajamin sa, and then me nienti Americano. What you say me, and I mean nienti America, Brian Champ on Yamin Shaw. Nyamin shamu me apology we me bompa say nyame owosro ebe kamo akoma na momfa ncheme nyame owosro be kamo akoma na momfa ncheme onfa ncheme so at least my apologize yama and I'm ready to do it again opese me nko for me so nine na me power cho the reason why me kasa ani say is because me ka fi makoma mu enye so obi na ma me aka so even no see onfa ncheme ameti ase Usi unfan chemia metiwase aden because ma kasetia o ena me kasa me kan kasa ya me kan kasa mikra na de ye me a anka be hyeme what ya say aha nti munyina mo fa me boni ncheme munyina mo fa me boni ncheme me pese me move on in life me pese me move on and I mean to me moving on some mistakes am I in the past me correct ya mean to me moving on you can't move on when you've not corrected mistakes. What I say mean to me moving on. Or say me pamwacho and sana me to me moving on. And if you are saying I want we all learn from our mistakes. My regretting my actions. My regretting my actions. And yeah, because BBSU, but my regretting my actions and me pamwacho say if this same thing should happen again, me KOD, me ye me due diligence and sana me be man no I can baby. Pasesi ane die mo peja me nsa ka se mumfa me boni nchemi obi a maka se tie bia e bia me nya time embo din wa ha mumfa me boni nchemi ba ye papa Nana Akufo Addo ye papa Kennedy Japan ye papa Keke Amwa ye papa all the police service ni Ghana obia mpeinfo Israel mpeinfo nyina Gabiochiri da kumu obia makasa etia wo. Me name say at the time no I knew what I was doing not knowing no and then my jack to me say na me nim nya me ye na ade no kra no na more than nya me kra me dwen what you say but at the time no na me so me feel say nya me ye no ebe boa ye won kofo bi mu